Ready. We dey come on air.
Alright, so now welcome back to the original Nigeria radio station, Nigeria FM 102.7. My name is still Sam. I don't do my sports matter come out when 8 o'clock where JC and Boot enter inside field, but this one na special arrangement unto say we get big masquerade. That person na in the Real Super Eagles and by the time we national team one play and he don't play for Everton for English Premier League in the play for Fenerbahce now. If they win Turkish Super Cup, but he no for Super Eagles play that 3 matches for they play in the last 2 weeks. In name na Joseph Ikpo Yobo. Info us day here now. Yobo, welcome to Nigeria FM 2.7.
Thank you.
No say in na that person, so the pigeon
the area
fast, the pigeon go down for a man.
In the right place.
But even if they put us on phone, I know that want to say don't take for you.
They must put. That they don't say stage jam.
Alright, what you want in Nigeria? They just see you, just come, you know, first by go play those 3 matches. Just tell them small thing we go make their belly small.
My people, I don't show a day, but I no play. What happened be say Super Eagles now we're on the right track. We play 3 games, win 2, draw 1. So that one shows something. Say good things they about to happen. Me as captain, I no play because I they injured, but I did with the team to support them. We get other games to play and to let people understand. Say things they about to change. Now we want win something. The coach want win something. Me as a captain, I want win something. So anybody will no fall into that category. Say you want follow win something. You know, go fit there with us, but not to let our people know, say, make them believe in us, trust in us, say things they change now, and all of us want to go Nations Cup. That Nations Cup, I want carry on. So anyhow it be, anything when I go do it.
Say things they change. You say if you know say you no get mind to play for Nigeria, unto say you no go they committed, you no go bring out your best for national team. Say make you know even near where cash they do in training. But the fact be say you don't win like 87 caps for Nigeria, you know. And the person that be the person who don't play pass, if they look at for all the people who don't play for Nigeria, how that one they make you feel?
They make me feel very good because I know say I start very early. You know, I know say I don't miss a lot of games. If Nigeria they play games, because I mean they're very consistent. They hardly get injury for the last 10 years. Now my first time when I know they play with this, if I don't pass 100. It make me know say yes, I be captain now and I'm more responsibility to make sure say now it's time to win something. As I talked before. You know matter, no be caps matter again. As we did there, so we want change national team, we want win something. So at that level I did now.
Yeah, when I hear you say no one do the Arsenal pattern again, not be to play better football, not be to caps, not be to calculate points, and not to win trophies. I be Arsenal fan, not worry, not be say we know how to do. But Baba Joe, this morning so where you can Nigeria for 102.7, people don't already talk things from Facebook. You don't really tell them say you get 1 or 2 small things for either leg or body will not make you play. But so far so good, you follow the team, they follow them. Because so wait till you see, for guys who don't win too much, but people still want more goals. You understand? I will go to do that one because I go the hungry us. Before today, even when you they play with them, they come from the 10 years they come. Will they get many goals? I don't know anything that happen. I mean they sell goals now.
Wait till they happen, we say football don't change. You know, as we know,
it don't hard.
It don't hard. Even if you pack 11 players for street, come play us, it go hard. If they're ready to play, go hard.